Are you tired of spending too much on groceries but still craving tasty meals? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to find affordable options that don't sacrifice flavor. Eating well doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, some of the most delicious meals can be made on a shoestring budget. But we've all been there, scrolling through recipe videos, drooling over mouth-watering dishes, only to see the hefty price tag attached to them. It's frustrating, especially when you're trying to pinch pennies. And it's not just the cost of the ingredients, it's the time and effort that goes into preparing a meal that's both healthy and flavorful. In today's economy, it's harder than ever to make ends meet, let alone splurge on fancy ingredients. We're constantly being told to cut back, to make do with less, to settle for bland, uninspiring meals that are more filler than flavor. But I believe that's a lie. I believe that you can have your cake and eat it too, or rather, have your gourmet meal without breaking the bank. The truth is, cooking on a budget requires a little creativity, some smart shopping, and a willingness to think outside the box. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. We're counting down the top 5 cheap meals that will make your taste buds do the happy dance. First up, we have a twist on the classic breakfast for dinner, a Mexican-inspired frittata packed with flavor and protein. This bad boy can be whipped up for under $5 and serves 6 people. Simply scramble some eggs, add in diced veggies, cheese, and your favorite sausage, and bake until golden brown. Serve with some crusty bread and a side salad, and you've got a meal fit for a king. Next, we're heading to Italy with a hearty and comforting pasta dish that'll transport you to the Tuscan countryside. This one-pot wonder is made with just a few pantry staples: pasta, canned tomatoes, olive oil, and some good old-fashioned garlic. And the best part? It'll set you back a whopping $3.50. Third on our list is a flavorful and nutritious stir-fry that's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. This one's a game changer. Not only is it ridiculously easy to make, but it's also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. And with a price tag of just $4.25, it's a no-brainer. The 4th spot goes to an indulgent and decadent chicken parmesan that's sure to become a family favorite. Crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and smothered in melted mozzarella cheese. What's not to love? And the best part? This one can be made for a steal, just $5.50 for 4 servings. Last but certainly not least, we have a show-stopping Indian-inspired curry that's guaranteed to impress. This rich and creamy sauce is made with just a few simple spices and can be served with rice, naan, or even as a dip for veggies. And the price? A jaw-dropping $3.25. Now I know what you're thinking. These meals sound amazing, but what's the catch? And my response is, there is no catch. These meals are the real deal, folks. They're tried, they're tested, and they're proven to be both delicious and affordable. Of all the meals we've discussed today, there's one that really stands out to me: the curry. I mean, who would have thought that a dish that's typically associated with fancy restaurants and exotic spices could be made for under $4? It just goes to show that with a little creativity and some smart shopping, you can recreate even the most complex dishes on a budget. So there you have it, folks. 5 delicious meals that won't break the bank. From frittatas to curries, we've covered it all. And the best part? These meals are just the tip of the iceberg. With a little practice and patience, you can create an entire arsenal of budget-friendly recipes that'll make your taste buds sing. Thanks for joining me on this culinary journey, and I hope you're as excited as I am to start cooking up a storm on a shoestring budget. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite budget-friendly meal ideas, and be sure to subscribe for more cooking hacks and recipes that'll make your wallet and your taste buds happy.